What's up, you guys? Your boy Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded this week as a forex day trader in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. This video is going to be real because I'm going to show you guys my mistake, my error and trial and everything that I was doing last week. It was so amazing that I really enjoy how I traded, especially on Friday. So stick to this video. Let's go directly to the chart. Let me show you guys how I traded. Let's go.
Welcome. So last week was something that I really love. Yeah, I love how last week plays out. Last week was playing out like it was a storybook. Like I won't lie, bro. Last week was like a pure technical trading experience. Like I really love how it played out. And as much as I lost money, yeah, but it is what it is. Losing money is part of the process. Yeah, losing money is part of the process. The ability to still remain in the market, no matter how you lose or no matter how you win, is how you are going to be successful in the forex market. This thing is not just trading, is not just a one-day thing or making a big money just a day and you call yourself a trader. No, you have to be consistent in the game. You have to be steady in the game. You have to learn the game every single moment, every single day. Yeah, so I started last week Tuesday. If you know me very well, you know that's when I trade. I don't trade on Monday. I don't trade on Monday. I don't try that because I don't like it. It affects my psychology so well. Yeah, so I leave Monday. Like today is Monday. I don't trade. That's why I'm doing this video now. So to tell you how I'm going to be trading this week. Yeah. So last week Tuesday, the market started. Let's go to 1 hour. So this is where I do my rough work. So let me show you guys how I traded first before we move to the next thing. Like I started from here on Monday, so it was moving aggressive. I didn't see any trade. So on Tuesday, I literally see this sell here, but I wasn't much like clear on it. I wasn't much clear on it. That's why I didn't take the sell. That's why I didn't take the sell. Yeah, so I left the sell. So when I took my first trade was last week was on Friday. So I saw this one which is on Thursday. Yeah. So I called the trade, but I was expecting this market to reach this zone. You can see that I have a board that I mapped out here. Let me change this guy. Let me delete this line. Let me change this guy color. Let me add it black so that it will be okay. So I saw this trade. I know that the market is going to drop to the downside. And so I was expecting it to reach this zone. Yeah, I called the trade on my Instagram that I'm looking out for a sell opportunity and I'm waiting for the market to reach this zone before I will sell. So the market did not reach that zone. That's one of the things that you learn from GJ. So the market started tanking from there to this zone. So if you use a measurement tool from here, this is about 70 something pips to that psychology level. Yeah. From there to here, that's about 70 something pips, 88 pips. That's a lot of pips. That's a lot of pips. So when you are trading, you have to be really calculative. You have to use calculator very well. If you don't know how to use calculator very well, I don't think that you can be a good trader because traders make use of calculator so well. So here was another present that I didn't notice. Yeah, I didn't notice here. So this was on Thursday. I didn't bother to take the buy because I was expecting it to reach this zone for me to sell here. So I was expecting this bounce, and the third bounce here, which the market did not obey. So I know that so many people lost money here. But you can see that once the market reached that zone, it seems like it's going to drop here there, but it didn't drop. Yeah, so you have to be, if you call yourself a technical trader, you have to watch out for candlestick formation very well. The wise man once said that candlesticks are the language of the forex market. So if you understand how candlestick formation work, you understand and you can interpret candlestick, that means you're going to do so well in the forex market. This was how it was playing out and I was very happy till Friday morning. I told you guys that I only traded last week on Friday. So but I lost money. So here was where I was expecting a sell opportunity. Once I saw this, so I was selling here. Yeah, so I dropped the signals on my Telegram channel, this particular one. So I said that I will sell once I see a push up to the upside. Here was the place I You know how it is, bro. So I entered a lot of position here, thinking that the market with this kind of information that this candle is going to be aggressive push to the side. So my TP was on this psychology level here. My stop loss was above this zone. Was above this zone here. Here now, that is where my stop loss was. Here, that's where my stop loss was. So I was expecting the market to turn from that place. Look at what happened. The market started printing a lot of candles. So once we reached to this zone, and this bearish was a little small. So what I did was I exited my trade. Yeah, so I lost about 30 something dollars. I exited my trade. I didn't bother to hold the trade because I saw that the candles are becoming small, the sellers are becoming small, and the bulls, the buyers are taking advantage of it. So still that Saturday, I was seeing this kind of move, and I was like, bro, had I know, I could have been on this trade and watched this trade to play out. So I was not happy with myself seeing what is going on. So before I know, the candle print out this. Yeah, I posted it on my Telegram channel, the mistake that I did and everything. So once the candle was printing this one, this candle was so big. So I was like, bro, this thing is going to be tanking from here. I didn't even know that it's going to retrace and leave this kind of weeks here. So once I saw that, I screenshot and I post on my Telegram channel that this is one of the trades that you take and you learn so many lessons. Exactly that was what happened. If I held my trade and I saw this kind of move, maybe from here, let me show you guys. From particular here, I will take profit. If I was on this trade from here, I would take profit from here. I'll take profit. I'll close out the trade. And even if I was here, here was where I got in. So from here, the loss will not be up to that at something dollars that I lost. Yeah, it will never be that up to that. So the market started going up. So I was like, what is really happening? What is happening on GJ? Yeah, the market moves to the upside aggressively, and it's back to this side. Once it's back to this side and you see how it's playing, it has break this trend line. So some people will be getting in for a sell opportunity here, and it's a very great time to sell. But for me, I don't trade on Monday. Yeah, I don't trade on Monday. I don't. So let me show you guys what happened that I did not see. For me, selling here is a very bad thing. Yeah, especially here. For me, planning to sell here is a very bad thing. But I wasn't one because it looked like a sell opportunity. So one of the things that I learned here is that I've said this and I've said this to myself that I will never take a trade that is above psychology level for a sell opportunity. And I will never take a trade that is below psychology level for a buy opportunity. This thing have eating my money so well that I need to learn from it. So from that day, I will never do that again. Once I see that the market is above psychology level, I'm not going to take it. Once I see it's below psychology level, I'm not going to take it. Once I see it's in the middle, I'm not going to take it from now on. So let's move on to what happened on the 4 hours, what I didn't see that happened on the 4 hours. So this is it. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's make this thing a little bit small. Let me show you guys. So you can see that this thing was a very touch, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a touch, and this is a 4-hour time frame. And this particular trade was a trade that you can see that this market here was a bounce on this trend line, and this trend line is a strong trend line, and you see what happened. Once it bounced there, the market started moving aggressively to the upside. If I would have zoomed out to this 4 hours time frame, I don't think that I will be looking for a buy opportunity here. I will not, because I will know that okay, this place has a strong trend and this close was a very aggressive one. So I could have just waited and wait. For me now, I'm not selling here and I will never sell here, in as much as it's looking like something that is going to drop on the lower time frame. But I'm going to wait for it to take out this high, which is here, before I will then look for a sell opportunity. Once the high is taken out, and leaves with a weak rejection and starts looking like something that is going to drop, then I'll get in to test the probability if it's going to fall. Remember, trading is a probability and I will never give up doing it. Yeah, so I will never give up. So simple thing how I trade. So my strategy, I know some of you guys know my strategy here. So it's psychology level. So the lines that you are seeing here is psychology level. Let me remove this line. This line has placed what I needed it to do. So the lines that you are seeing here is psychology level. That's what I use for my support and resistance zone. So from there, from here, from this upside, which is to this upside, it's 50 pips. Yeah, so it is 190.500 to 190.000. That's 50 pips. From 190.00 to 189.500, that's 50 pips. So this is how you get it. Yeah, something is wrong from here. Something is really wrong. I think something needs to stay in between here. So let's check this one. 188,500. The next one is what? The next one is what? 19500. That means there's supposed to be a psychology level here. There's supposed to be a psychology level here. So here now here. So let's use the settings coordinates here. This is. So I drop a video how to get psychology levels or how to close psychology level on GJ and GU. It's just right there on my channel here. So 189.000. So that's the next psychology level that's supposed to be there. So that's how I get my support and resistance zone here. So the next thing is trend line. So I'm just showing you guys some example of what you are seeing here. This is a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce. So trend line strategy is something that is very simple. You have to make it simple and also make it relevant to the current market. Yeah, so that's how I plot my trend line. So this is a very easy one. How I get in my trade is just simple. Chart pattern, first, second. You see, this is my chart pattern where I trade W and M, double bottom, double top. That's why I told you guys just now that I'm expecting this market to test out this high and leave with weak suggestion. That's where I'm looking at to take a sell opportunity. So right in within here, the market is still bullish and I know that they are going to test out this high. So that's it, guys.
Yeah, guys, so this was how I traded last week. Yeah, so I hope you find this video helpful and you really enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up, like this video, turn your bell notification and hit that like button. I really emphasize on that. Hit that like button for your boy. Please do that right now. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, do that. Click on the link on the description below. And if you want to start trading, you don't have a broker, I'm suggesting that you use SNES. They are one of the best broker in Africa and I love their withdrawing and depositing. They are fast. So see you in the next video. Peace out.